Hi, I'm Anna at the Sewing Studio and I've got the lovely Tracey with me from Owl and Sewing Cat.
Hi.
Hi Tracey, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Exciting to be down here. It's part of the world.
Thank you. So we have got a range of brother machines here to show you today. So Tracey, what have we got?
So we've got the F series here. So
Yeah.
we start with the 560, which is the sewing machine.
Yeah.
And then we'll look at the F540, which is embroidery, and then we go up to F580, which combines the two machines together.
Genius. So the F560 then is a standalone sewing machine.
Yes.
And you'd say it's good for beginner and advanced?
Yeah, completely. Yeah, definitely. Well, it's going to cover your dressmaking, your quilting, home decor, all those kind of things.
And obviously it's a brother machine, which means it's packed with great features.
Yes. Yeah, amazing. Things like the built-in scissors I love.
Yeah.
I'm sure you feel the same way.
I always say it's the feature you didn't know you needed.
Yeah, exactly. And people don't want to lose that if maybe they've got a big machine, but they want something slightly smaller to take to classes. Like,
For sure.
But I still want a lot of those features of the big machine, and this will do that for you. So a lot of our top-end machines is going to have those features in there, like the built-in scissors, like the sideways feet, so sideways as well as forwards and backwards.
So sideways, when I mention this to customers, they're always a bit perplexed as to why and how.
Yeah, we're used to sewing machines going forwards and
true.
backwards, aren't we? Like, that's just the way that it goes, but all of a sudden they can go this way and that way, and that's great. I use it sometimes when doing bag handles. You want to do that nice neat square.
Yep.
So instead of keep turning my bag handle around, I can let the machine do that for us. Or if I'm quilting, we have to roll our quilt to get it in the arm here, so we can flip it, turn it around. Instead of keep re-rolling, we can do that on there. You've probably noticed that we've got that nice big arm, which is great, isn't it, as well on this machine?
Yeah.
So you've got much wider space
there,
in the middle, and that nice bright light I really like as well.
Yes, and that also gives us nice wide stitches as well, doesn't it,
Yeah.
on there? So there's some just that you can see on there, but
Yeah, and I really like that. That's great for doing borders on quilts and cushions, things like that. Yeah. So a standard sewing machine can't do those stitches that wide unless it's got that sideways feed, can it?
No, for sure, yeah. And stitches, lots of stitches on this machine.
Yes.
All
Over
handily on the
200.
top there, yeah.
Yeah, and that's great because you don't have to keep getting the manual out. It does come with a lovely manual.
It does, yep.
But I'm a visual learner. I like to see and play. So all the stitches are on there. The numbers are there, aren't they? Which is really handy.
Yep.
And it comes with a great manual, but you also use things like the Brother Support app, which is
Of course.
brilliant. You can download that to your phone for free, put it in your machine, and there's going to be lots of videos and tutorials on there as well, showing you how to use the various feet and stitches that are there.
And if these stitches weren't enough, there's also the custom stitch designer, isn't there?
Yeah, that's great fun. So that means you can design your own stitches as well as having all those built-in stitches if you wanted to.
Yes.
But yeah, there's a lot there.
And then threading the machine is nice and easy.
Yeah, we're just going to follow the numbers that are on the machine, and then the last one is going to be pushing this lever down like that, and that threads directly the eye of the needle.
Such a brilliant needle threader.
I can't work without it now. I really need it. So it's got all those nice features that the higher end machines would have. So I know most machines come with needle threaders, but they're not always as easy as this, are they?
No, they are one of the best, I have to say,
Yeah,
for sure.
I think so. Yeah, so that's a great feature to have.
And then moving on to the embroidery only machine,
Yes.
the F540.
Yes, F540 is a lovely machine. So this one is a 7x5 embroidery size area, which is great. You see, I know you did some of these lovely samples,
I had a play,
didn't you? They're
Such fun.
great. That one, and then we've got the little caterpillar one as well that you did.
Yeah, that was an applique design. That was, good.
It's
good
nice
fun.
with the applique built in,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's really easy as well.
It
Really
looks like
easy.
you've been really clever
Yeah.
with your stitching, but actually, I'm not saying that you haven't. Do you know what I mean? The
Bit of
design
skill, you know.
I'm sure you can, but I can't sew very straight. But these particular designs are built-in designs, aren't
Yes,
they? So you lay your
yeah.
fabric down, it does a stitch line, a running stitch, you trim your fabric, and then it does that applique afterwards. It's
Yeah.
worth playing, isn't it? If
It
people
is,
have got embroidery machines. So the machine has 193 built-in designs, doesn't it? Which is a really nice number of designs. But of course, it's got a USB port on the side. So we can download all those free designs, like we were saying earlier. Sign up to the Brother email, because then you get those free designs sent to you. And they're fun, aren't they?
Yeah, and this one's also wireless, isn't it?
It
Yes.
is, yeah. Which is great, because if you're working with the Brother software, so the software allows you to digitise your designs. So if it's a company logo, you can digitise that, and then you'll be able to stitch it out onto this machine, as long as it's within that 7x5. You can also use the Art Spirit app as well.
The Art Spirit app, yes.
You're a fan.
It's great fun.
It really
great
is,
fun,
isn't it?
yeah.
The nice thing with that is obviously it's on our phone, so we can, while we're on the go, sitting on a train, babysitting our grandchildren, we can be designing our project, we can let them play with it. We can now take photographs of our grandchildren. I've not got any yet, but hopefully one day. But anyway.
I don't.
Or children, or friends, or family. So you can take photographs. It might be of your house or a neighbour's house. You can take a photograph on your phone and then you can digitise that in basic form, but on the Art Spirit app, and then sends that to your embroidery machine. So when you get home, you can be ready to embroider out.
So clever.
Yeah. So many possibilities, aren't there, with an
There
embroidery
is.
machine?
So true.
Yeah. People use it for home decor. They might be doing it for fashion purposes. They might be doing it just to embroider names in uniforms and towels. The number of towels that my children lost when they were young and they were swimming every week. And they, if I could have embroidered their name in it, I'd have saved a fortune.
When you said towel, I immediately went to like a guest towel in a hotel, but you could
people
do that as well.
Yeah. I know people who do that, make nice little bundles for people when they come, people who are renting out their homes. You know, if their property's got a little logo, they can put that on there. Or if you're just looking to gift as well. So you don't have to be able to sew either to use an embroidery machine. Sometimes people do.
It just makes things that extra special, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Really personalises things, doesn't it?
Yeah. And then at the end, we have the best of both worlds, don't we?
Yes, so this combines the two machines together into one. So you've got that amazing sewing machine, you've got all those stitches, you've got the needle threader, you've got those lovely feet, you've got the scissors, so it's going to cut the thread for you, and it's also going to have everything that the embroidery machine has as well. 7x5 inch hoop, 193 built-in designs, still going to be wireless, still got the USB ports. Yeah, it combines the two machines into one. Some people prefer that for space saving, or if it's something that you go into a class. I guess you have a lot of customers who take machines out and about to classes.
They do, yeah.
So it's good like that, because you've got that nice bright light as well, which is lovely when you're going out and about. So yeah, combine the two in one. Other customers would prefer to have the two machines separately, so that one can be embroidering while the other one's sewing. It's just a personal preference, really. You're not going to lose any of the features. You're still going to get all those same features, whichever model you go for.
Yeah.
So like you say, best of both worlds, really.
Yeah, and some customers kind of start on their sewing journey with a sewing machine and then discover machine embroidery, you know, and then having this one, you know, the functionality and the threading and everything is the same, so it makes sense for them to then add that one to that. But
exactly,
like you say, great for space saving. With the combined.
Yeah, whichever model you're using. It's nice to just have a play with the machines as well, isn't it? To come out, you have these machines in the shop, don't you?
We do, yes. So. Yep, we have them available for demonstration. Yep, so customers can come in. We also have a whole Zoom room set up, so we can do it online as well for people that aren't quite so local to us, you know.
That's
so
great.
yeah.
I think that's really nice when people can interact like that and get all the help and support that they need. I think it's really important with a big purchase like this.
Yeah, it's nice to know how it works, isn't it, as well, rather than just it arriving and relying on the manual, you know.
Yes.
But yeah. We hope that gives you an insight into these models of machines. Thank you, Tracy, for helping me talk through these.
No, it's lovely, and thanks for letting me come down to your lovely shop. It's great to see
lovely
it.
to have you. If you want to know any more about these machines, then just head over to our website at thesewingstudio.co.uk, where you'll find lots more information. Thanks for watching.